The staying power is now looking at the packaging you will feel कि अरे ये तो काफी ज़्यादा product है but ऐसा नहीं है. It looks gorgeous. Hi guys, this is Lishabata and welcome to my channel. So today's video is another swatch video and one video that I wasn't going to do. So I wasn't going to swatch the Nykaa All Day Matte Liquid Lipsticks simply because they've been around for over a month now. So I just thought कि अब बहुत लेट हो गया लॉन्च ना काफी टाइम हो गया लॉन्च हुए तो आई डोंट रियली नीड टू स्वॉच दीज लिक्विड लिपस्टिक्स they were just sitting there. I didn't open them because I was already testing out quite a bunch of matte liquid lipsticks, but I actually wore one of these shades last week and I realized वेट अ सेकेंड इसका तो मुझे स्वॉच वीडियो बनाना ही पड़ेगा. इनफैक्ट इसका मुझे रिव्यू वीडियो बनाना है बिकॉज आई हैव टू शेयर माई ओपिनियन ऑन इट. Now to know what's my opinion, keep on watching. So if you are new, then please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon as well. Now let's get started. Now I always start off with the packaging. The packaging, as you can see, is quite sleek and slender. So this cost to be 349 for 2.1 ml. Now looking at the packaging, you will feel कि अरे ये तो काफी ज़्यादा product है because you know this packaging is a bit more taller compared to your average liquid lipstick. But ऐसा नहीं है. You actually get much lesser product in this. So an average liquid lipstick usually has 4 to 5 to 6 ml of product. This has only 2.1 ml. So in a way, this is quite expensive in comparison. So a little backstory. This was the shade that I wore, which made me want to review it. First thought, oh my god, this looks so good. This is the kind of shade I would never pick up. This is like a yellowy, orangey nude. It's neither here nor there. But I wore it and I mean this is so unique. I don't know. I haven't seen this color in other launches yet and I loved it instantly. And then when I saw the pricing, ki, oi, it's only 350 rupees. I just felt like Nykaa has hit it right out the park. I mean, 350 की liquid lipstick, when have you seen that? All the liquid lipsticks that I have been reviewing, they have been 600 rupees and above. So when I saw 350 rupees का इतना unique shade, and in fact other shades in this range are also quite unique and very flattering for the Indian skin tone. But I do have to put out this disclaimer कि 350 सुनने में सस्ता है but quantity भी कम है, just so you know. And you know packaging में भी थोड़ा लगता है कि बहुत ज़्यादा product मिल रहा है but ऐसा नहीं है. Now coming back to the packaging, I actually really like the wand. So it has a sponge applicator but the thing is it is movable, so it like takes the shape of your lip as and when you're applying it. Normally other liquid lipsticks come with a stiff wand but I actually prefer this one. Do you see how it just takes the shape while you line your lips? I have way too many swatch marks on my hands now. I need to quickly remove this. So overall the packaging is quite nice. It is also see-through so you can easily pick a shade in case you own more than one shade from this range. It also mentions the shade name at the bottom of the packaging. Coming to the texture, this has a beautiful consistency. It literally glides onto your lips. The consistency is also slightly thinner compared to other liquid lipsticks, which is a good thing because then this will not crumble. However, this is very matte. I'm someone who has dry lips and previously also have spoken about the fact that I do not find most matte lipsticks to be very comfortable on my lips, and this is one of those lipsticks. As you can tell from my face, this is intensely matte in terms of the finish, but also it does feel a wee bit uncomfortable. I highly recommend using a lip balm underneath or prepping your lips really well if you're going to use this range. A good thing about this range, however, is the fact that it does not settle into fine lines or crumble, because this happens a lot with me whenever I use intensely matte lipsticks. They tend to crumble and crack on my lips, and this does not. Coming to the pigmentation, this will impress you like no other. So this is a nude shade that I'm swatching and a single swipe gives you a complete saturated pigmented finish. These liquid lipsticks by Nykaa are highly pigmented. They will cover lip pigmentation really well and I'm quite impressed with the color payoff. However, these shades will look different on different people. Your undertone matters a lot, and especially if you have pigmentation on your lips, the color might look a bit different on you than it does on me. So this is something you must keep in mind while purchasing them. Now let's talk about the staying power. Now that was one of the reasons why I wanted to review this range. The staying power is fantabulous. I kid you not, I was blown away by how smudge proof and how long lasting these liquid lipsticks was. So when I wore this outside, nowadays, everything transfers onto my mask. But when I removed the mask to eat something, I was shocked that my lipstick was in place. Nothing transferred onto the mask, and that's when I decided that, you know what, I need to introduce these liquid lipsticks to my audience. I absolutely fell in love with these lipsticks because of the staying power. They are completely smudge proof, completely transfer proof. Let me show you the kiss test. No transfer at all, and the wear time, but this lasts on and on and on. Okay, so on me this stayed put for a good 7 to 8 hours. I did have snacks in between. मतलब ये तो हो ही नहीं सकता ना कि Lisha goes on for 8 hours without eating. Like, that's impossible. So I did have snacks, water, drinks in between, but this did not budge. However, whenever I've had a full meal, a full oily meal, it does remove from the inner ring. तो वो थोड़ा सा अजीब लगता है. Coming to the shades, now this is another reason why I wanted to swatch the entire range. So most of these shades will flatter Indian skin tone extremely well. I also found some of my favorite nude shades in this range, which was another reason why I got so excited. So first is this shade. This is the one that I'm wearing. It's called Dear Dog. This is the kind of shade I would never pick up, like I mentioned at the start of the video. But I feel like it's so flattering. It looks really nice, and this is quite a unique shade in my kitty. I'm someone who owns a lot of nudes because, let's be real, I only wear nude lip colors. Whenever I'm going out, I always either wear a nude brown or a nude pink. I only wear the bright and bold shades when there's like a function or a party or an event or a festival like Diwali coming up. But yeah, I mostly, have an affinity towards nudes, so finding a nude shade which is unique in my kitty is a big thing. Then I also really like this one. This is the shade Soul Sister. It's a nude muddy pink. Very, very beautiful. This range has beautiful nudes. It also has some of my favorite reds. Not reds, only one red that I like, and it's this one. It's Boss Babe, and it looks gorgeous. So I think I've talked too much about the shades. Let me just show you how it looks on me along with the hand swatches. Let's go.
Moving on to the swatches, first we have Super Mom, which is a gorgeous rusty nude. This has a warm orange undertone to it, which will flatter light to medium complexions. It might wash out the deeper skin tones. Next we have Darling Daughter, which is a muted orangey brown lip color. This can be such a great neutral lip color for many complexions. Then we have Dear Doc, which is a brownie orange. It is much deeper compared to the other shades. Next we have Soul Sister. This is another mid-tone brown, however it has a rosy pink undertone. Next we have Grand Fan, which is a medium tone dusty pink with a cool undertone. It will flatter light complexions quite a bit. Then we have Girl Gang, which is a warm toned berry pink. This will flatter almost all complexions. Then we have Dream Wife, which is a beautiful raspberry pink. This is perfect for all complexions and a great party wear shade. Then we have Teacher Tribe. This is a purple toned fuchsia pink. This is one of the more unique shades in this range. Next we have Cool Cop, which is a beautiful deep red. It has a neutral undertone and will look good on every skin tone. And lastly we have Boss Babe, which is one of my favorites. I hardly like reds, but boy do I love this one. It is a deep maroon shade.
So these were the swatches of the Nykaa All Day Matte Liquid Lipsticks. Now coming to the final verdict, I absolutely love the shades in this range. They are beautiful. The nudes, especially the nudes. These are some of my favorite nude shades. The pigmentation is bang on. The wear time is super long. Now coming to the pricing is where I feel a bit on the fence. While 350 rupees really does seem very affordable, but if you compare it in terms of the quantity, it can be a little steep. However, how many of us actually end up finishing a lip product? I know I do own a lot, but I know about my friends as well, even though they don't own as much makeup as I do, but I don't think any of them has ever finished up a lip product. So in a way, getting a product with lesser quantity but at a cheaper price does make sense. Ultimately, I feel like we tend to prefer a variety variety when it comes to lipsticks. Like when it comes to base makeup, we will use that one product that we like over and over again because that gives us the most beautiful finish. But when it comes to lipsticks, we do prefer a variety. So I feel like in that sense, this is a great deal. But if you're someone who uses the same lipstick, like one lip product they end up liking, and that's what you always want to wear, like I have a similar thing with t-shirts. So if you have that similar vibe with lipsticks, then yes, 2.1 ml will be too less for you and it might turn out to be a bit too steep. So yeah, with that, I'm gonna wrap up this video. Let me know your thoughts in this range. What do you think? Would you prefer paying less for lesser quantity, or would you still want more quantity even though it might be a bit more expensive? Do comment down below, and of course, if you enjoyed watching this video, then please hit the like button. You can also check out some of my other swatch videos, and I will see you guys the next time. Bye!